Zvirimudzimba. Zvirimudzimba. Zvirimudzimba.
Hello.
Oh, beautiful couple.
Hello.
You can Alicia. Hi.
Hello.
You can sit. You can sit.
Thank you so much.
Yes. So how is home? Kumba good right, sir. What do you say? Go pana Kim. I'll be all good. Oh. Yes. Yeah. Oh, baby.
Hey, honey.
Babe, are you okay?
I'm okay. It's just a slight headache. Oh, you still have your migraine issue. Let me go and get you some painkillers. Never mind. I'm okay. Oh, this is Sasha, friend and Dagakutani and Muromwake Simba. And Simba Sasha, this is my handsome husband, Taurai.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Taurai.
Nice to meet you too, Mr. Simba.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
May I please use your back? Oh, yes, of course. Yes, of course. You just go this way, the left side. Okay, thank you. So how's business?
What a ball. Just try and kia bahara.
Yeah, that's it. That's the way.
Yeah, what can you do?
Sasha, this is Pastor Mike. And Pastor, this is my friend Sasha.
Nice to meet you, my daughter.
I know too.
As you're entering here, that's why a message for you from God. God wants you to confess. And once confessed, your womb will be opened up.
Right now?
Yes, those and that's one. And not in private, but here in public, in surgeons.
Baby, how's the confession?
I'm sorry. I would like to confess all my sins before the Lord. I sinned a lot since I was young. Zvokuti handikwanisi kutsanangura zvese ndichizvipedza. Asi ndisiri mupedzi wenguva. Toda kuti may the Lord forgive me for breaking all the commandments.
Baby, all the commandments, including Quran.
No, baby. Ndangotsanangura zvese kuti ndisaone chandosirira sezvo ndiri kuda kuita mwana. Ndaona kuti ndakasirira maybe zvinogona kuzonditadzisa kuita mwana. Ndisingazive kuti pane pandakanganisa here, man of God.
Tell me one thing. But anyway, it is well. We'll talk. Thank you, Mr. Torre.
Thank you for coming, Pastor.
You are welcome.
Thank you,
Thank you. May I take my leave now?
Yes.
Pastor. Come with you.
Thank you, Mr. Torre.
Let's go this way.
Sasha, you're so unbelievable. Yes. Kundaita sei? Huh? Iwe, uri serious nekuita mwana here kana kuti usida kuita mwana?
Nairu. Saka unofunga kuti handisi serious here nekuita mwana?
Iwe, wapiwa only a one chance, Sasha. One chance yekuti ungoita confession. Then wakutotadza kana kutaura.
Ruvimbo. Saka iwe ungodoti ndikonfese pamberi pemurume wangu kuti ndakabvisa nhumbi yeumwe murume. Unoona zvichiita izvozvo? You will never forgive me.
Sha, pastor aingotaura naye aitonzwisisa murume wako.
And you think so?
I don't think so, but I know so. All right, it's fine. Let's do this way. I'll arrange an one-on-one session with you and pastor and tell him everything. What do you want? Antka?
I will try.
Yes.
Thank you. That's why I love you.
Don't worry.
Asanobika. Rega simba chimuda. Zviri kunaka. Ende zvakasanganiswa zvese zvaunofungira.
Haini ndangudhani ndanga ndichifunga ko tikaitawo zvinyowani tise tinakidzwemba muno.
Asi usugutsikana neni?
Sandizvo zvandataura.
Pakutonzikisi.
Handisi kureva kudaro baby, noti ngatingotsvagewo zvinyowani tise tinakidzwemba muno.
Maybe my best is not good enough for you. Asi wakutoda zvenyika yese kani?
Kondo zvanambotaura here, nangoti ngatiwewo zvinyowani tise tifare.
As for me, kuside kwangu, it's okay. Ndiri bowo zvangu. But I don't know about you. Handisiri ndoita kuti usagutsikana.
Makandigadzira hangu ndiende kubasa. Zvakaoma.
So, how's your love life?
Great. It's great.
Sure. Why do I feel like you wouldn't want to say something?
Hapana ndombo wandisina. What?
Akuita beji newe ngondo. If you go there and get a number, ndokupa $10. Ukanopuwa number.
Oh, keep your money. I'm not in the mood.
Ukwata. Man, gone. You need to leave, my brother. You need to leave. You only live once. Don't use all your time feeling sorry for yourself. It's not worth it. Leave. Go and get the number. Show me you still got it.
I still got it. But you know what their kind did to my health? They are hazardous to my health, actually. I'm trying to quit them.
Nah, you can't quit women. It's unhealthy to quit women. And don't tell me that she's not a type. Men, we have no type. Don't put a number. I know you want it.
No, what I want is $10 to the number.
Go.
You owe me $10.
Zvirisimba boss.
Zviri kufamba here?
Oye.
Ndizvozvo.
Handitika.
Makasimba here?
Ndizvozvo. Yowe tombovaraidzawo.
Buda umbondirovere nhasi.
Ndeke timbotry. Ona kuti
Andi please mari nyaka chinjika.
Yakachinjika zvayo.
Chinja chimazana ninetsa.
Ndatozvinotisa.
Alright, handitoni mudai. Tichingodya nane ipapo.
Let's go. Don't sing Baba time.
Alright, ndikuya.
Koma kuenda musati madzadza gazi.
2 minutes.
That's Baba time.
Ndinonzi Sophia kana kuti Amanda.
Well, Amanda cannot Sophia. You must have another dress.
Thank you.
What would you put out there?
Thanks. Kochi?
You have beautiful eyes and a beautiful smile.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I mean, ukambo sekera zakadaro parume sanofenda.
Uchandinyepera iwe.
Yo, tazana timu na hapa. Eza utofenda, don't try that.
For serious no offender.
Trust me, believe me, I'm trying so hard not to. Tuzama every brother I have kuti ndambe chingofema chingokika kika. Yeah.
Wati, iwe wati unoti watanya nti. Saka maitanya na tanya shole.
Oh, they are gone, but not forgotten. Sadly. Yeah.
So, is that your friend?
That is... Yes. Yes, he's my friend. He's actually my brother. Hi, Sophie. It's not that way. I don't know what it is, but you know, you're just my type, and I would love to see you again. She's not doing my
I doubt that.
I don't watch soda.
Yeah. You doubt that? Are you sure? It was nice meeting you.
But thanks anyway.
Yeah, I mean it.
Thank you.
So smile too much.
Name question.
But as a smile, I'm going to start your part.
I'm going to go to right.
Nice one.
Thank you, Pastor.
Yeah.
But thank you for coming, Pastor.
Okay. Be blessed.
Alright.
Yes, well.
Thank you.
Can go.
Sasha,
Hello.
what's that one thing John's in the pastor you have to confess? Plus, why should I private confession?
Simba, are you accusing me of something? Saka uri kureva here kuti pane zvandiri kukuvanzira of all the people. And unonyatsoziva iwewe kuti ndiri kuda mwana zvakanyanya.
Okay, sorry, babe. I don't mean to accuse you, no. Sorry, kani mukadzi wangu. Just my law, right? Well, now that the confession is out of the way, I think it's time for us to go make a baby.
Ah, baby. Nyatsoziva kuti mama vari kokumba. And maozi edu ari thin. Zvinonzwika sha.
Ati kuenda kumba ndiani kona baby?
Sikati kuenda.
Kuloji.
Inangu zvokuloji handimbozvifarire. And I'm not comfortable nako. Unorara pamabhedzi anongorarwa nevanhu vese.
Baby, nandichaziva. All right, togonoitira mota. You choose either lodge or mota. Kana zvikunetsa togonoitira mugarage padeni sainda nonokirwa insha.
Baby, wakutopega iwe. Anyway, tokwanisa hedu kuenda kuloji, but only for today.
Boom.
Bepa.
Alright. Ndigiro mvura kumwe.
Ndo masitio nakapura 1-on-1. Saka ndatofonera Chido ndiye anenge ari kumangwana.
Okay. So, how did your friend feel after the encounter with the pastor?
Oh no boy, Sasha. Akabvisa nhumbu ari form 4. Ndozvitomutesa kuti ite mwana papa. Apa iseti angukonfesa akutosvika zvake murume wake apa murume wacho haatombomude futi. Imagine
Nhumbu ari form 4 kwakadi kumwe nawo murume wacho.
anziye mafamilies avo haasi kuwirirana, angasiri kuwirirana here, something like that. Ina hapana chandotombozeni because they kept it as a secret. Zvakangorana
Ko nditroka kapeti wobva nemvura yangu first.
Alright.
Kumbotamba Candy Crush zvangu mufoni mako. Sasha.
What number?
She said no. No, it's
Saka urati wabva uko usakuwa number.
this day I'm on behalf of everything at least not try.
But that's something new. Iwewe kubva pane mukadzi iwewe usina number.
Ungapi everything that try.
Iwe unopuwa number yacho. Tawirana kupuwa number isusu.
It's maybe still because of those.
No, Ngoni, come here. You need to move on. You need to understand that my Tanya is not coming back. The sooner you accept it, the better. She's not coming back.
Okay.
Sasha. Handikakumba bozi ana mumzi ada kutobuda izvezvi.
Tauka. Ndiri kutya musandambosvika.
Kutye kani? Animbokurwadzisa.
Ndozviziva sei?
Unozodera ikoko. Saka takuenda ka.
Baby, ndaisati yako hapo. Baba Kim. Kama kufungiwa.
So yani nditofunga kuti backlog ndichaikwanisire basa since today I missed work.
You don't need to think. You always work and work and work, Baba Kim. Andy.
Okay. Let's go. My king.
Topedza shungu mataiga.
Pamba kutauriza ndopedza shungu kwako. Oh. Hi, well. Said I'll call you around, not. Yeah. Don't call me.
Is that?
Yes, it is.
But you said...
I know what I said. You owe me money. We made a bet.
She looked like a wife. I owe you money.
Yes.
Fine.
Just I'm going to war. A banana when I'm body straight.
I owe you.
Yes.
Money.
Yeah.
But I'm going to marry a hero. Then I'll pay a hero.
Yaiwe. Uzandionezeka cheche. Rudo chete runondinetsa. Runonditadza kugara pasi. Ndikaswera ndisina kugona. Zvinondirwadzawo pamwoyo. Paswerashi.
Como zvinotsere inokuwa chesiendi pedzesi.
Ilavu chete. Asi zvawauya kudai so wotondibatsira.
chisiya kundipedzisa ungoita basa.
Ko ndipoka pondo yesiga chete.
Every day redwe.
Every day. Unongopedzisa zvasarezve. Kwani mari yako ndobhadhara.
Unonetsa wewe. Inonotira pasi pefasi.
Thank you so much.
Nezadani. Nanga ndichitofunga zvangu.
Chii?
Zvina zvinotimira zvakanaka panapa. Basa kwako kuri very slow. Wadi wambochawa nemaparents ako.
You know what, Sophie? I've got issues. Not dead. You know we don't go along.
Taninga ndikatawa nezvazvowani.
I cannot go on my knees begging you.
Sharp, you have to swallow your pride. We really need the help yavo panapa.
Chisiyana nenyaya idzodzi.
Adani shamwari.
Sure. Let me go and collect my money.
Zvakaoma.